Hey guys, what is up? Today I will be showing you how to make a circle in Build a Board for Treasure. But guys, it only works with the trowel tool and the scale tool. Okay, so let's start. First, you can use any block you want. You can use any block you want. And then use the trowel tool and then rotate only once the green one, and then just bring this here and then do this again, clone it, and then do this again, just do that, and then just clone it till it's done. I'll show you how it looks when it's done. It's gonna take some time. Okay, so it's almost halfway done. Okay, just do this continuously until it's done. Okay, it's almost done. I'm just gonna finish it and then I'll show you what you have to do in the end. Okay, it's almost done. And now it's done. And now you have to delete this. Delete all these blocks, and then if you want it to be like this, just it's done. But if you want to cover it from the middle, just do this. It's almost done. So it's just almost done. Okay, just do this and then your circle is complete. It's almost done. And it's done. This is how you make a circle, and if you want it to be better, just use the scale tool and then do this. Wait, get a block and then do this, turn it into 2 and then do it once and then once more, and then just do this and then just do how you want the circle to be. So guys, this is the end of the video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.